Cross the border and experience the stunning beauty of coastal Maine and New Brunswick with a two-nation vacation. It's an international road trip you won't soon forget. Through magical little fishing villages where your car seems to slow down of its own accord. Explore breathtaking trails where you can be the first in the country to see the sunrise at Acadia's Cadillac Mountain. You'll encounter local art and culture spanning 2 different countries that surrounds you, pulling you in like nothing else. And picnic at Franklin and Eleanor Roosevelt summer home. Then take a walk on the ocean floor, thanks to the highest tides in the world along the beautiful Bay of Fundy. There's something different about these parts. Maybe it's the wildlife, or the lights in the sky, or the fact that every path is less beaten. But everyone still speaks the same language, friendly. All the locals greet you with a wave and a smile, and you'll find more fresh lobster than you could ever imagine. 2 countries, 1 getaway. Grab your passport and get ready for your two-nation vacation.